Learning to walk is one of the most important achievements in your baby's life, as it's a big step towards independence. Once your baby is on his or her feet, he will or she become a little explorer. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. If you are new here, you are most welcome. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, I would like to highly request you to subscribe our channel and join our beautiful family, which is Mom and Baby. In this video, I am going to share with you some of my experiences and tips and tricks how I helped my baby to walk. So without further ado, let's get started. Every baby is different. If your baby is taking little longer than others, please don't stress out and don't try to compare your baby with others. If you are stressed, your baby will automatically know that you are stressed, and in that way, the output may not come in a way that you are looking for. Let it be. Have some patience. Your baby will walk on his or her own time. Some babies develop some skills more quickly than others. Some babies crawl and walk, whereas some babies don't crawl at all and then directly walk. As per the general guidelines, baby normally start to walk from around 10 months to 18 months. If your baby is already 18 months old and has not started to walk yet, then it's better to speak with the doctor or the health visitor. When your baby learns to roll over, sit and crawl, all of this activity will help your baby's muscle to strengthen. When your baby is in between 7 month and 12 month old, your baby will probably be able to pull himself or herself up from sitting to standing while holding the furniture or your leg. Once your baby gets better at standing, your baby may feel confident enough to stand up without any support. Your baby may even be able to take few steps. When you hold your baby's hands, your baby may even bend down to pick up the toys from standing. Walking takes lots of balance, physical strength, confidence, coordination and muscle power, safe place to practice, and so on. Therefore, walking is more complicated or harder than you may think. So, your baby will need lot of practice and may be quite unsteady at first. Signs that your baby is ready to walk are roll over, your baby can sit properly without any support, has started crawling. Some of the babies, they don't even crawl, they just directly walk. So don't worry about if your baby is not crawling. Pull up, your baby can pull up something, your baby is able to stand up, move from one side to another by holding furniture or sofa and so on, taking a few independent steps, standing, holding on, and may be able to stand without any support. Some of these signs might tell you that your baby is ready to walk, but each child is different. So try to go as per your child. Tips to help your baby to walk. There are so many ways that you can encourage your baby to walk. Tips number 1. Encouraging. Whenever your baby does any good thing, even though that is a very simple thing, try to praise your baby either by clapping your hands, making some noises, laughing, saying well done, and so on. In this way, your baby will think that, oh, I have done a great thing, and therefore will be motivated to do the same thing again and again. So try to always appreciate your children whenever they do the good thing. Massage. Try to massage your baby every day as soon as your baby is born. Massage helps baby in so many ways, such as it helps to strengthen their muscles, improve the blood circulation. It also helps baby to meet their different stages of growth on time. Tummy time. Tummy time helps baby develop strong neck and shoulder muscles, visual sensory, roll over, move forward, and promote motor skills. It also helps baby to move their different part of the body. I have already prepared the video on the benefit of the tummy time and massage and how to give tummy time and massage to your baby. If you are interested, I will link those videos in the description box below, so don't forget to check that one out. Assisted walking. You can encourage your baby to walk by standing or kneeling in front of him, holding both of your baby's hand by helping to walk towards you. This is the most easiest, quickest and cheapest way of encouraging your baby to walk, as you don't need to buy any sort of toys or walker or anything. Helping your baby to do this sort of activity, meaning that you are spending quality time with your baby, as a result which help to increase the bonding relationship between you and your baby. Standing practice. If your baby is around 10-month old, try to help baby to stand quite often in a day, so that your baby will be able to stand up with support and build up confidence and balance between his or her body, which help your baby to walk. Stimulating toys on right time. You can even put some toys out of your baby's reach, either on a sofa or a furniture, that will encourage your baby to pull himself up and get them. You can try the same thing to help your baby to walk out to steps in both sides, meaning right and left, or move once he is standing up. You can also buy a toddler truck or pushing walker or similar toys that your baby can hold onto and push. We practiced this couple of times in a day for a week or so. Then after a week, she got her confidence, she was able to balance herself, and then she was able to walk freely, as you can see in the video. If your baby is using walker for the first time or a couple of times, it is always better to walk or move with your baby and encourage your baby to walk with you or to you at a distance. When babies start to walk, they move very quickly, so you have to be very careful about where they move and how they move. Also, keep the floor area clear so that your baby can walk around easily. Don't worry if your baby fall while walking, but protect them so that they don't harm themselves. Supervise them when they are walking or using stairs, and also once they get used to of walking, encourage your baby to walk in the park as well, because this helps to get some exercises for yourself and the baby. Therefore, it can be a great opportunity to spend some quality time as a family in the park and get some exercise. My golden tips to you all today is, although your baby is smart enough to get to this milestone on their own, your help and support will make a huge difference. As mentioned earlier, all the babies are different, so they may take their own time, and please don't compare your baby to the other one. If you compare your baby to the other one, definitely you will get some feedback saying that, oh, your baby is this month of old but has not started crawling or has not started walking. Trust me, you will get this sort of advice from others, but just don't listen to them. Just have some patience and just give your full support and help to your baby and encourage them to achieve their milestone in their own time. Because as mentioned before, all the babies are different, so their developmental growth will be also in a different scale. Some baby will do some activity early, whereas some baby will do it late. Just have patience. I know it's easy to say but hard to do. It will work and your baby will definitely reach the milestone. When my baby was not crawling, I was so stressed out, and since I was stressed out, my baby was also stressed, because whenever I was going into the children's center, couple of the children, they had started crawling and my baby was not crawling at all, so I was so stressed. If you are concerned about your child's physical development, then speak with your doctor or health visitor for professional guidance and support. Infants learn to do everything through repetition. So, this activity should be repeated several times in a day. Babies also learn to walk more easily if they don't wear shoes. So, try to practice at home with barefoot, as barefoot will help your baby to balance themselves. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and share this video as much as possible, because I believe sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.